Code syntax. Syntax in computer programming means the rules that control the structure of symbols, punctuation, and code in programming language. You can think of code syntax as the grammar in English language. It controls the structure of the sentence to make your sentence readable and understandable to other people. Likewise, code syntax rules. It ensures your code structure is developed in the way that Python interpreter can understand. Let me give you an example using if statement. As you can see here, it starts with keyword if. Then it is followed by a condition. After that, your code statement will be written in the next line after an indentation in the beginning of the line. So, for example, if you miss the colon at the end of the condition, or miss the colon after else keyword, you will receive a syntax error like this error message when you try to run this code to tell you that you have built your code statement wrongly. Here, I would like to highlight something important, that you may create a code with no syntax error, but your code is still not returning to you the expected output. This is like saying in English, Sam eats school, which is grammatically correct, but it doesn't have the right meaning to your audience. This case was explained by Ahmed in Rock Paper Scissors video. Link shown at the right hand corner of the screen now. And that is called a logical error.